Welcome to my channel. This is episode 1 of my season 1. So, we're going to be exploring the surface area and volume of spheres. So, I have this globe. It's extremely huge. And so today, we're going to be exploring the surface area and volume of it. So, before we get to that, we're going to estimate the surface area. Wait, no, not surface area, it's radius. Sometimes I go crazy, and that's fine. $17. So, the surface area of a sphere is 4 times pi times radius squared. So, we know the radius was 17. Okay. And so, we can identify what pi is. But according to me, pi is 3.14159. And speaking of 3.14159, we could just estimate it as 3.14. So, the surface area now becomes 4 times 3.14 times 17 squared. So, 4 times 3.14 is 12.56. So, 17 squared is 17 times 7. 17 times 7 is equal to 289. So, we're going to put surface area is equal to 12.56 times 289. Oh yeah, and there's another trick. So, to find what... Okay, so to check. So, we know about 17 times 17 is equal to 289. But, in other cases, we could find the square root of that number to check. So, the square root of 289, which is 289 divided by x equals x. So, in that case, x is the same number. If there's 289 divided by y equals x, we're going to assume that it's not a square root. So, I'm going to pull up my calculator here. Just tell me what 12.56 times 289 is. And it will give me 3,629.84. Since we measured it in centimeters, well, it's centimeters squared. Now we could just find the volume of it. So, the volume of the sphere is 4 thirds times pi times radius cubed. And so, we don't have to measure it again, because we could find the radius is already 17. So, now volume of a sphere will be 4 thirds times pi times 17 cubed. So, because we found out what 17 times 17 is, we could just find 17 times 289. In that case, it would be 17 times 17 times 17. So, 17 times 17 is 289 times 17. Okay, so 289 times 17. 46. And we just got 4,913. And now it's still 4/3 times pi times 4,913. So, we obviously know about what pi is. Pi is 3.14159. And so, now we need to find the calculations. In case, it would be 4/3 times pi times 4,913. So, we don't worry about these numbers. We just figure out that it's 20,579.52. 538. Thanks for watching this video. I'm real interested. So, I'm inspired to become a YouTube creator. Thank you very much.